Hey everyone, welcome to episode 6 of the Dartle onboarding series. My name is Nehal Pradeep, and today we're going to talk about how you can create assessments or player evaluations within your system to be able to track different performance metrics of a player. You can find the assessment section in the left hand navigation under assessments. Once you click on the assessments, you will be taken to a landing page where you can see all existing assessments that you've created and also the option to create an assessment. Let's go ahead and create an assessment and let me show you how easy it is. Once you click on create an assessment, Dartle provides you with existing templates of assessments that's already predefined. It also shows you a list of all your assessments which you have created previously, and you can choose to start from that or create your own from scratch. Let me show you how easy it is to use our existing templates. All you have to do is click on an existing template here. It'll auto select all the metrics that are under those assessments. Let's try choosing another one. Now it has more metrics here. Let's choose another one. You'll see the metrics changes here. All you have to do once you've done that, give it a name that you like. Let's call it under 13 monthly assessments. So let's choose the groups that we created earlier, and let's choose a start date for this assessment. And let's leave the time as it is, and let's go ahead and create the assessment. Now that's it. It's as simple as that. You have now created the template for your assessment. Now, every time you want to schedule an assessment, all you have to do is go into your assessments, find the assessment that we just created, and within that, add our very first schedule. Let's just say you want to do assessment once every 3 months, starting from June 1st. So what you can do is you can say, I want to add this assessment. You want to repeat this every 3 months, and it ends in 2026 in June. Dartle has created those assessments for you. And let's go into one of those assessments. And you can see on the day of the assessment, you can come inside here and record the different information on a player. So in this example, let's choose Nia. She's done a 10-meter sprint in 1.2 seconds. Maximum aerobic speed is 10 meters per second. Our organization is okay. We can now save this information. One of the things to notice is whenever you're giving individual, you can also specify feedback to Nia. So here you can say, Nia, your starting is off. Your ball control, dribble with smaller strides. And we can save this information. You can even upload videos of that assessment for the player.
On countless hours of play data, which we then use to compute the average. And this can be used to identify potential weaknesses and suggest individual development plans for players.
Demo Academy metrics. We can specify what type of metric it is. Let's call it a tactical metric. And you can specify how are you evaluating this metric. This could be a coach's observation. If there's any instruction on how to measure this, you can give videos or images here, and you can specify how you're going to score them. So for example, if you're going to input a value just like we did for the speed, like 10, 11, 12, any number input, you can choose the unit score. If you want a rating system of 1 to 10, you can choose a rating system. Or if it's like a questionnaire, you can specify questions and add different options. So let's call this demo question option 1, option 2, option 3, hit finish. Now we can easily add this metrics to a new assessment or our existing assessment without much difficulty. So coming into your assessment, you can click on edit here. You can select this new metric that we've just added, right? The demo academy metrics we've just added. and you can click save. And now going forward, you can also see that information here for the play. So let's go to Henderson here, for example. You'll now be able to see that under the tactical section here, we've called it demo observation, and these are the options that we've just created. So now this is how you can create an observation or an assessment for a player, and you'll be able to generate all sorts of reports and player development information here on this platform. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.